Structure of the human eye. Three membranes enclose the eye. These are the cornea, sclera and choroid, retina. At its anterior extreme, the choroid is divided into the ciliary body and the iris. The latter contracts or expands to control the amount of light that enters the eye. Elements of visual perception. When the eye is properly focused, light from an object outside the eye is imaged on the retina. Two kinds of light receptors distribute on the retina, cones and rods. Cones are primarily located in the central portion of the retina, called the fovea, and are sensitive to color. They function best in relatively bright light, so cone vision is called bright light vision. Rods are distributed over the retinal surface. Rods serve to give a general, overall picture of the field of view. They are not involved in color vision and are sensitive to low levels of illumination. Rod vision is called dim light vision. Around the region of the emergence of the optic nerve, there are no receptors, and this results in a so-called blind spot. Humans usually have three kinds of cones with different photopsins, which have different spectral response curves, resulting in trichromatic vision. Interestingly, some people have 4 or more types of cones, giving them tetrachromatic vision. 3 types of color-sensitive cones are there in the retina of the human eye, corresponding roughly to red, green, and blue sensitive detectors. Wavelength responsiveness of rods compared to that of 3 types of cones. The dashed gray curve is for rods. Image formation in the eye. Muscles within the eye can be used to change the shape of the lens, allowing us to focus on objects that are near or far away. An image is focused onto the retina, causing rods and cones to become excited, which ultimately send signals to the brain. Perceived brightness is not a simple function of intensity. Visual system tends to undershoot or overshoot